And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create glow text effects. There are many different ways to create them. I've got the same text copied a couple of times, and under filters, shadows and glows, we've got one-click effects. Let me apply these, we can look at the differences. I like this one, the in and out. We also have two more filters. The drop shadow has its own menu, but it's a simple one. Let us check the live preview. We can adjust the blur radius and the position. When you adjust the horizontal offset, negative values are for the left hand side, positive for the right hand, and vertical in a positive direction. We've got it below, and for negative values we've got it above your original text. So that is what it does. There's also a drop down where you can adjust the shadow type. You can't see the inner if you've got a fill color. Let us apply the shadow type. It doesn't use a fill, so it's the outer and the inner cutout. And then you can see what the inner is doing behind the original text. And you can also add a shadow only effect. Don't forget to apply it and close the menu. There's yet another filter. It's the emergence, and it highly depends on the fill color that you use. You could say that it gives you a little bit of an inverse of the original fill color. So when you've got a dark color, it gives you a light one, and when you've got a lighter one, it blends a darker one over it. And you can also create manual blurs by just using the fill and stroke menu. Press Ctrl D to copy your original text, so you've got two on top. Put the one that's selected to the bottom, and we'll work with that. Just increase the blur. And on top of that, you can play around with the opacity to adjust it. And these are the options that you've got to create glow text effects in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.